This tutorial is for 3rd grade Module 1 Lesson 6. In this lesson, we're going to continue to look at the meaning of division, and we're using word problems to help us think about what each number in a division problem represents. Here I have two very similar questions. The first question says, Rick puts 15 tennis balls into cans. Each can holds 3 balls. Circle groups of 3 to show the balls in each can. Then I have a related division problem and a sentence to show my answer. So I know that I need groups of 3 because each can holds 3 balls. So I'm going to start by circling those groups of 3. And I see that Rick needs 5 cans because I have 5 groups. So if I take 15, divide it into groups of 3, I get 5 groups. I can show the related multiplication fact as 5 groups of 3 equal 15. So if I look at my division problem, the first number, the dividend, shows me how many tennis balls. The divisor tells me how many are in each group, and the quotient tells me how many groups. Now let's look at this question. Again, Rick uses 15 tennis balls to make 5 equal groups. Show how many tennis balls are in each group. So I know I need 5 equal groups, and since I have 15, I know that I need 3 in each group. So it's a similar premise to the first question, it's just worded differently. So now, if I look at my statement, there are 3 tennis balls in each. So this time, the dividend again is 15 because I have 15 tennis balls. The divisor is 5. Now my divisor is telling me how many groups I have, and my quotient is telling me how many tennis balls in each group. So again, very similar questions, but the numbers represent different parts of the problem. In the next section, we're going to draw our own arrays to show the difference in the two problems. So it starts by saying draw a 5 by 3 array. So if it's a 5 by 3, I can think of it as 5 times 3. The 5 tells me how many rows. The 3 tells me how many in each row. So I know I need 3 in each row, and I need 5 rows. So there's my multiplication array. I'm going to fill in the blank. I have 5 rows of 3. I can also say that if I take 15 and put them into rows, and there are 3 in each row, I end up with 5 rows. In this situation, the number in the blanks, or the 5s, represent the number of rows that I have. If I look at the related question, 5 times 3, so 5 groups of 3 give me 15 dots. If I take 15 and divide them into 5 rows, I get 3 in each row. In this case, the numbers in the blanks, or the 3s, tell me how many I have in each row. So same problem. Again, we're focusing on what do these numbers mean in our multiplication and division problems.